This can survive freaking C4. What's wrong with you, dude? Oh, dude. You have like the Titanic.
No, I was trying to go.
Tell me if you find any gold bars. Oh, we're going into the vault, guys. Hello, and welcome to Strange Places, where we go places that most people wouldn't dare to venture. And I am your host, Max Power. So why am I behind bars? Is it because your host Max Power is in trouble with the feds again? Nah, I'm just at the abandoned bank. That's right. Today on Strange Places, we are going to be exploring a 1920s style abandoned bank in the middle of the city. I was here with Mike That Crazy Dude. I'm here with Vaidas, who's filming. I'm also here with Tath, AJ, and Esmae from Obsolete Urbex. If you haven't already, please go down there right now. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn those notifications on. You'll be able to see Strange Places videos the moment they come out, and it really helps me out a lot. Go down there right now, it'll take you 5 seconds. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to Logic 7, who provided the music in this video. The link to his channel will be in the description. Also, check out Vaidas' Instagram at Vaidas5. Check out Esmae's Instagram at Obsolete Urbex. Check out Mike That Crazy Dude. His channel is gonna be in the description. Anyone else got any social media? Anyone else got some social media you want me to shout out to?
Pop tag.
Follow me on Instagram, Teth.
Pop tag.
Okay, I'll check.
Pop
If I
tag.
have time, I'll put the pop tag.
I gotta get a pop tag.
Those are actually hard to do.
I know, dude.
Today on Strange Places, we are going to bring you to this massive abandoned bank.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So just a quick history. This bank was built in the 1920s and is a great example of classical revival architecture. And this is a pretty modern photo of what it looked like just before it became abandoned. Actually has a lot more richer history to it, but I can't give out historical details without revealing hints as to where the bank is located. People can just go online and find this place if I reveal too much. Don't give out locations anymore because... Okay, I got it.
Give him climbing up.
Oh, there we go.
Taff,
Mike, we're on the roof of the bank. We just did a whole bunch of ninja to get up here. Yeah, we got a good shot of Vaidas there.
Can we prop it against the chair?
This is the scary part where we gotta get into here. So there used to be ladders here, but all we have is these ghetto ass wires now. This is smart. That's probably gonna get you killed. Oh. Claps. Wow, you get down there. That missed my balls by like an inch. Did you record all that?
Yeah.
Is it recording you?
It's not black and white, but I'm recording.
Actually, if she falls on me, she'll probably lose. I'll probably be the devil one. Well. We each have our own particular style. Just getting some chips and guac here. I'm just kidding. This is not chips. This is lead paint. Do not eat this. I don't know what you're doing, but oh, I made it. You're home. You're almost home.
Yeah.
So how was that, guys?
What?
Mike had a lot of fun. That was Mike's best moment in life ever. He was like having sex from like, that's how much he loved it. The hardest part of this mission, getting down this sketchy ass
Garden hose.
garden hose and power wires, and this is the hardest part of this operation is complete. Now we just get to have fun the entire time because
I'm home. I'm home. Yeah. Yeah. Skirt. Hell yeah. Ah, here we are, guys.
Oh shit, there's Vaidas.
Vaidas gonna take a nude photo at the bank. Look at this. Look at how cool this is. Look at how cool this is. Like, my hands are pretty big. Like, this is a giant combination thingy. So you had to, this is like basically two giant master locks, except probably more sophisticated. So I'd open this one, and then I think you could just open it up with this giant wheel here. Wow. Here is where like the teller stood. This is one of the elevators. Yeah. Yeah, check out this vault. Look at this. Look at this vault. This is so sick. Like, it looks 10 times sicker in person. It's just, look at this. Look at how thick this is. This could survive freaking C4. And look at all these little mechanical things that made this vault work. That is so cool. I love seeing machinery like this. And then, this is the safe deposit room. Look at these hinges. This is how you know this thing is made out of solid steel. It's solid steel. Look at this. Look at how thick the damn door is. So this shows how heavy this is. There's two of these, the biggest hinges that I've ever seen ever. Look at that. Solid steel. That is so cool. My quads, man. Whew. Cheers, bro. I'm carrying a heavy ass backpack. Here we go. As always. This is the ledge, isn't it? We gotta get the classic Vaidas shot.
The classic shot is always me like this, looking in the city.
There's Vaidas again, overlooking his kingdom.
Oh yeah, that helps a lot actually.
Oh no, dude. Oh no. Dude, this place is... Dude, we gotta go, dude. Did you hear that noise? Bro, did you hear that noise? Oh shit. Oh shit, dude. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, that part was obviously a joke, but in all seriousness, things actually began to get pretty strange on the 4th or 5th floor, I believe it was. Selfie. What was that? What? I keep hearing knocking noises over there too. What the hell is this? Dude, this door just started to shut. Dude, did you guys push this door open? It's probably, dude, it's not a ghost. What the hell? We heard a really loud bang, and I thought it was Vaidas screwing around, and they all thought it was me, but I think what happened is this just fell. I don't know, that's just my theory, but Vaidas said he saw like a shadow running across. Like, I'm not, like, this is Strange Places, like, we don't do fake stuff on Strange Places. So when I say there was a bang, there was a bang. Okay, here we go. So just further detail of what I experienced. Basically, there's this very loud and sudden bang that occurred in the room right next to me. I went in the room, I thought it was Vaidas just trying to scare me. I looked around and he was not in there. Vaidas was all the way at the very end of the hallway with everyone else. And that was kind of weird. There was no one in there. So that's a little bit, I don't know how to explain that one. Also, my camera was experiencing very strange malfunctions. So basically, as soon as I walked out onto the balcony, it would stop recording. And it did that twice, and it's never done that before. And after I left that area, it never did that again the entire night. So it was just over in that area, the same area where I heard the loud bangs, the camera just stopped recording twice. And I don't know, that's a very weird occurrence. Oh, were you, hold up, this thing wasn't recording. I gotta do that whole stupid sequence over again. Alright, we're gonna go. Recorded this thing twice. Why the hell doesn't this goddamn thing record? God. This is the fire escape. I've done this 3 times now because my stupid camera keeps shutting off. This is the fire escape, alright? Really cool. Ooh. I know I sound really sarcastic because I'm very frustrated because my camera has just shut off. Stopped recording 3 times. So as I said already 3 times before, my stupid camera. All right, this is the fire escape, and this is how I got down the first time. This is how I escaped. And then I heard another unexplainable loud bang coming from the same room. This time I caught it on camera. Pretty cool view, huh? Hey, yo. Yo. I got that one. Yo. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Yo, I got that one on camera. I swear to God. Okay, here. That wasn't me. That happened twice. Okay, the first time I didn't get it on camera. The second one, I did. Everyone thought it was me, but you saw that. I was not doing anything. So by this time, we were getting calls from Esmae, better known as Obsolete Urbex on Instagram, and her boyfriend, who were there at the bank, but they didn't know how to get in. So we had to get out of the bank and like go back to the rooftop and show them how to get into the bank because only we know the way. We needed to show them the way. And Esmae is a little bit shorter, which would have made it more difficult for her to come down that hatch and kind of like scoot down those ropes and stuff that you saw earlier in the video. So we went around the bank trying to find a ladder that we had seen earlier. Yeah, I think it's floor 3. I think it's floor 3. We're about to go get a ladder. What? And this is the gentleman's room. People used to be gentlemen back in the day. What's up? Oh, this is the fire escape that I want out, not the other one. Yeah, dude, that banging, that was weird. We'll have to check out this place, like, in a bit or something. Okay. It went down, I don't know. Oh, wait. Oh, you could see the place from up here. This is like the security room, dude. Oh, this place is messed up. I don't know. Oh, wait. Oh, you could see the place from up here. This is like the security room, dude. I searched all over the building looking for this ladder, only to find out that Vaidas had already taken the ladder from where I thought it was back downstairs for it to get moved. in this entire time he had it. So it was kind of a waste of time, but we got to see a lot of the building in a very short period of time. So it was kind of worth it. Nice.
You have to booster again, but you gotta use this board like a mold. Right there.
There you go. Esmae from Obsolete Urbex. Finally here. Okay, I didn't get AJ coming up.
Busted my head open so many times, so like I'm just terrified of falling. I don't even know if I can do it.
Max Power pioneered this entrance last week. Trying to get some of our people down. We built a ladder. Hey! In the cut. Oh, you did way too good.
Alright, stop. It's too loud. Failed.
Alright, are you guys ready?
Right here. Dude, that's literally our church. So this is what we use, dude. Oh,
This is gonna be sick launching this raft here.
the other side is better because there's no.
Holy shit, you can get to the vault? Oh, that's gonna be sick. That is gonna be f***ing lit.
Bruh.
Oh, this goes, what the hell? This definitely reminds me of like the Titanic. Okay, let's launch the raft right there.
I'm the one that.
Down the stairs, this is actually the basement of the bank. And as you can see, there's a really cool vault here. This reminds me of the Titanic just because the style, it looks like the flood parts of the ship because this style of architecture is so old. About 4 feet deep, 3 feet deep. That's pretty deep. We came prepared. We're gonna get all the way over that vault. We're gonna explore this entire basement on a freaking raft because this is strange places. Came prepared. Vaidas, what's the ship's name?
Explorer 200.
I think.
Let's get it.
This is gonna be dope. Who's up there? Yeah, we got the ship inflated, guys. Alright. Wait, I just need something to...
I have a light. I do need to get.
A powerful one? Oh yeah, you have mine, yeah.
You ready? I'm popping
I'm
in.
gonna check my bag.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, what was that?
What? Let's just pop it.
Don't shift forward too much, you might get water leakage in there.
Is wild.
Okay,
What the fuck? How you guys gonna get back?
you said you're gonna paddle, right?
No, I was trying to go against the wall, but.
Isn't that really?
Wait, we're going this way.
Down here.
Oh, touchable.
You guys are just up. You guys are just through because you guys are sitting in there.
What?
Tell me if you finally go bars, man.
We're going into the vault, guys. You can get film for a bit, it might be a better angle back there. Here. Oh, that smells so bad. This box. Oh, look.
What is it?
It's a bigger piece of metal.
Oh.
This reminds me of the garbage disposal thing and stuff.
Yo.
Oh, it's like an old style key. Just imagine there's probably like buried treasure under like the water line, you know?
Right?
Yo, dog, I heard you like locks, so we put a lock in your lock.
Yeah.
Really good. Does it look good? Part of the chemical reaction. So not good sounds.
That'd be heavy as fuck.
That colder right here than some.
We want to check out any enforcement calls in this place?
Oh, you don't even need the GoPro, you have a camera.
If you wanna like,
Okay, send it.
That way in the raft?
No, down this way.
Oh.
So that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. I'm your host, Max Power. See you next time on Strange Places.